Have you ever thought of making your own homemade peanut butter? Or you've wondered how peanut butter is being made? If your answer to those two questions is yes, then you should watch this video. Hi guys, you're welcome to Sisi's Place. On this page we do everything DIY, healthy living, lifestyle and motherhood. So let's go over to the purpose of today's post. Night before, I proceeded to roast my groundnut. I'm using 2 cups of groundnut. So you can skip this process if you don't like stress and just buy the already roasted groundnut, okay? However, I won't advise that because you have to make use of unsalted roasted groundnuts. If you have a trusted groundnut plug that doesn't add salt to their groundnut, so you can definitely go ahead. After roasting, the next step is to peel your groundnuts. So this is me peeling my groundnuts and they are almost ready. Groundnuts are finally peeled and I'll be doing the grinding the following morning. So this is the second morning. I added my groundnuts into my blender and I added a pinch of salt. You can add honey as well, but I chose not to. For this you would need a very strong blender. So after blending for some time, you would need to pause a few times to scrape the sides and also blend again. So this is just the only work you need to do. Pause, scrape, blend, scrape, and you are just going to continue doing that until the peanut gets smooth. The longer you blend, the smoother your peanut becomes. So this should take about 10 to 15 minutes depending on the quantity of groundnuts that you are grinding. So let's just keep on blending and let's see how our peanut butter would turn out. As you can see, it's starting to produce the butter. Sense of direction. So guys, our peanut butter is coming together. So like I said, the longer you blend, the smoother it becomes. So just take a look at this beauty. The good thing about making your own peanut butter at home is number one, it is very cost effective. I used just 2 cups of groundnuts for this quantity of peanut butter. Number two, you are very certain of the content of ingredients in your peanut butter. Like definitely I know this is just peanuts and a pinch of salt compared to store-bought peanut butters that has sugar, additives, and what have you. But this one, I know what I'm feeding my body. So yes, I will go for this any day, anytime. Let's give ourselves that store-bought peanut butter filling. So I poured this my peanut butter into the previous bowl that I used. And you can see that it is still giving us this watery whatever. So if you want to get that very thick consistency of peanut butter that you used to buy in the store, just put it in your fridge for a few hours or in your freezer for a few hours and you're going to see it that is going to come out very thick. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you are going to make your own peanut butter at home. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, like, turn on your post notification and also share this video to your loved ones. And I'm going to be seeing you in another video where I'm going to be showing you how to produce your own healthy foods at home. So pick our store-bought peanut butter, our homemade store-bought peanut butter, right? So thank you guys and see you guys some other time. Don't forget to watch, subscribe, like, turn on your post notification and share. Ciao.